Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting recovery mode fixes now. Plug in power, connect to the internet, and insert Windows 11 install media so you can boot from it. Once done, force the system into automatic repair by holding Shift while selecting Restart or by booting from the USB and choosing Repair your computer. Make sure to note any specific errors shown and recent changes like driver or update installs. That context determines which repair path you'll follow next. Now run diagnostics. Choose Startup Repair and let Windows attempt automatic fixes. This solves most boot problems without deeper steps. If Startup Repair fails, open Command Prompt from Advanced Options and run chkdsk on your system drive to fix disk errors, then use sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. After that, run dism restore health to fix the component store. These three commands address file integrity and finish by removing the install media and attempting a normal boot. If Windows starts, immediately check for and reinstall updates and drivers to prevent recurrence. If problems persist, use the recovery options to perform a reset this PC keeping files or roll back the most recent update or driver from safe mode. One key troubleshooting tip. If a reset or rollback is required, back up your data first, use file history or an external drive, because that step prevents data loss and makes recovery smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.